I'm not sure up to your church, yeah, right. Show me what the God has done right. I'm not down with all that. My sight's burning out because of it. And I feel like shit every time I hear the sun coming and birds start to sing with all their ring, ring, ring. Apple, I can hear it when they hit my ears and internet quick. I'm just saying I can't be with you when I need. I'm ready for you to let your heart bleed out. I'm just sitting around out, got my hat shit and I'm hopping on some motherfucker city. Got it out, cut it out. I don't need no trash. I'm just looking for some cash. And I want you cut your arm and want to snatch your wrist so bad just like your throat and want you grow furry through the weeds and corn and you feel like you're reborn 'cause you more now you know you were no more storm just by war. You could tell that this was just a holy war, nothing more. I feel it in the air, everybody thinking that's not fair. That was my child, that was right there. Things would change in a sec, but you don't know shit, so fuck all of your neglect towards what was making it better. Respect Mad Hatter with the maddest projects and the baddest, trying to be fast. Get me and crack, crumble to the Lord. You could turn inside. I know I can fly. I just jump off this cliff, and I'm ready for another spin. Dip all my shit in that shit so I can quit. Harder with the collar of the pimp. See, I'm evil, yes I sit on the throne so high below the sky, even beyond as well. Heaven is hell. I don't care if I got to go anywhere through all this focus. When I'm ready and I'm always in the eye, I will cut your heart out. Eat it with my fish because I'm rock on the slimy bug that makes my coffee slicker and I have to eat your ticker, use it wise. See, I am so funny in the sky. I'm trying to tell you so, but you never think so. Come on, man, like me, better than I can. Live like I'm a rat. Shit that's fancy. You will never know till I pull up the bow and I shoot you in your bow. Sorry, bro, and I hang on just a little bit longer for the world that doesn't deserve to be, 'cause they don't notice me. I'm so ugly, I'm happy and I don't smile. Should have been off the road, shouting red flag, look in the eye. That I can't be down with, even you cannot see. See your head and fuck me, that's what you're saying. So I'm like Jason, yeah, I smash your Lucio. I can handle it, just give me a shot. Axe hatchet, I will handle with it. Every time is fine. Snort another line. Wake up and do it again all the time. Never mind, I lost my mind. Lost it long ago. Lets me live my fast life. I'm ready to take a life. Ice it get in my eye. So I wanna watch me bleed out. No, you gotta get rid from the fucking shit. Let it feel like in my soul. Put me whole, watch it roll, and we know. Damn.